I've teamed up with my friends from the flavor company Tony Chachere's to bring you a few tasty dishes with a kiss of Louisiana. Today, I'm making a smoked Creole burger. Let's call it the Smoked Tony. Those who know me know that I love hyper-regional burgers. I also love all things Cajun, Creole, New Orleans. So today I'm making my recipe for the Texas smoked burger, adding some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning and topping it off with my homemade remoulade to send this thing over the edge. One of my all-time favorite smoked burger joints closed a few years back, Guy's Meat Market in Houston, Texas. It was a full-service butcher shop that just happened to have a smoked burger on the menu. They only made 200 a day. They sold out every single day. Okay, let's make this burger. First, get yourself a smoker. You can get one of these fancy numbers right here, or use a kettle grill and set it up for offset smoking. 50 minutes, 50 minutes at 225 is the preferred time and temperature for smoking a burger. I know you're thinking, why should I cook a burger more than 4 minutes? I thought the same thing. I was very, very skeptical until I tried it. What happens though is that the inside still stays moist and the outside gets a nice smoky char with a smoke ring. That's smoking. That's been smoking. Add some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning to both sides and stick them in the smoker. Piff! Now we wait. No, let's make a remoulade. It's a French word, duh. That's because this famous sauce came to us from France. Sauce remoulade goes all the way back to the 17th century, but the French version is somewhat different from the bastardized yet tasty version that we have today. But the addition of hot sauce and paprika make this sauce very Creole. This is my homemade version. My version includes mayonnaise, fresh garlic, lemon juice, diced dill pickle, pickle juice, paprika, Creole or grainy French mustard, horseradish, Worcestershire, Tony Chachere's pepper sauce, and of course, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. But in this case, I'm using something special from Tony Chachere's. It's their no salt seasoning blend. That's because most of the ingredients in this sauce have some level of salt in it already. Using the no salt blend in this sauce allows the Tony Chachere's flavor to really shine. They're ready. It's been 50 minutes. Oh, remoulade. No cheese. Look, no cheese on there. Who needs cheese when you have remoulade, right? Two smoked Tonys. It's a smoked burger with remoulade, made with Tony Chachere's. Oh, okay. Oh, ooh. That's so good. That is so good. Remoulade, not just for seafood. Oh, smoke ring. Look for the recipe on TonyChachere's.com. or my website, georgemotz.com. Wow. Whoa.